I am so excited to introduce you to Unit 605 here at 3529 Dolphin Avenue at the Westerly complex in the Fairwinds development of Nanoose, British Columbia. Come on in and let's take a look at this beautiful rooftop penthouse. Experience the pinnacle of waterfront living at the Westerly. Step inside Unit 605 and be captivated by the impeccable craftsmanship. This remarkable 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, corner unit penthouse offers a lifestyle opportunity like no other. Indulge in the ultimate relaxation on the massive rooftop deck, offering sunlight and privacy that will leave you in awe. Imagine waking up and having direct access to a marina and a charming cafe just steps away from your front door. World-class boating awaits, allowing you to explore the nearby waters of the Georgia Strait. Golf enthusiasts will find a prestigious golf course nearby. Embrace an active lifestyle with a nearby wellness center in the midst of Vancouver Island's natural beauty, with forested hills and rocky terrain surrounding you. Fairwinds Landing, the new oceanfront residential, retail, and dining hub, is just steps away, presenting entertainment and culinary delights. Don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity and witness its unparalleled allure. For a full information package or to book a private showing, reach out to me or my team at coopergroup.ca. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.